Hello, my name is Jonathan Kern, and I am the President and Chief Investment Officer of Civitas. Greetings from my home office in New York City. Let me begin by making two critical points about this unique period in our history. First, Civitas continues to make new investments during this time. But second, we must acknowledge that the COVID-19 pandemic presents unprecedented challenges on many levels. This is a global crisis which has and will impact all of us. In addition to the terrible human cost, this pandemic will almost inevitably cause a major global recession. As investors, we must recognize that COVID-19 increases the risk and the uncertainty of every investment we make. Now, while we cannot predict the future, we can look for clues in our experiences during prior crises and recessions. As you can see in these two charts, in the United States, multifamily real estate suffered less and rebounded more strongly than other asset classes in both the 2001 and 2008 recessions. The chart on the left shows the impact of the 2001 recession and its subsequent recovery, and the chart on the right provides the same data for the 2008 recession. The multifamily sector is shown in the red bars on the left of each chart. Not only did multifamily rents fall the least, but they rebounded the most strongly in both recoveries. Furthermore, they rebounded more quickly, reaching their prior peak and creating a new peak within 3 to 4 years of the decline in each case. This kind of data is one of the reasons why we believe the multifamily sector is relatively defensive during periods of crisis. In this particular crisis, we also believe that there are several specific attributes of the COVID-19 pandemic that also make multifamily a more defensive sector. Put simply, the shelter-in-place and social distancing orders that have been implemented across the United States have demonstrated that while most people can shop online without ever going into a retail store, and many people can work remotely without going into an office, everyone has to live in a physical space. For both lifestyle and financial reasons, many Americans prefer to rent an apartment rather than going through the trouble of owning and maintaining a home. This is especially true for young Americans or millennials who are buying later and renting longer. In addition to our fundamental belief in the resilience of the multifamily sector, we also strongly believe that Texas, and Dallas in particular, will continue to outperform the national average due to continued population growth and job growth. Among the many factors contributing to this above-average performance, I would point out Texas's pro-business environment, and especially Dallas's relative affordability compared to major coastal cities such as San Francisco and New York. For example, according to CNN Money, housing in Manhattan is 3 times more expensive than in Dallas. One of the many reasons we believe people will continue moving to Dallas. Thank you.